Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable one-hand mode on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on accessibility and convenience. And from here, you will find the option of one-hand mode. Just tap on it. Now just enable the toggle for one-hand mode to enable one-hand mode on your Oppo phone. Now, as you can see, to turn on one-hand mode, you will need to enable navigation gestures first. For that, just tap on settings. Now, instead of navigation buttons, just select gesture. Now, if you want to learn the navigation gestures, just tap on learn. Otherwise, just tap on cancel. Now, after you select gestures instead of buttons, just go back and enable one-hand mode. Now, just remember that one-hand mode only works on the gesture navigation mode. And to enable one-hand mode, just swipe down from the bottom middle of the screen to turn on one-hand mode. Just like that. And to turn it off, just tap on the arrow or the empty space over here. And this is how you can enable one-hand mode on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.